Morning. So this is how you're going to get the link of your digital portfolio using the Sway application. So in order to access your Sway application, open your Microsoft account, then look for the Sway application. It's already here. Just click the app launcher, then click Sway. You have here the storyline in order for you to create the story. So in order to add content, just click this, and then you may now add the image, upload image or text, or you can edit the headings or the text. Then for the design, click the design and click this style icon. You can choose, it can be vertical, it can be horizontal, it can be slides. And we have here different styles. So you can choose any of these styles on whatever design you desire. Then after doing that, you may now play. Okay, play in order for you to view your story. And for me to access your digital portfolio for checking, click this share to get the link. So get the link, invite people to view only, not to edit, because I'm just going to view your portfolio. Then click this one to copy the link, and then you may now add it on the link I provided. So that's it. God bless everyone.